to Tea Family Cooking Show. I'm going to cook sort of a Mediterranean-inspired lovely fish balls curry with potatoes, carrots, black olives, and other flavorful ingredients. Sounds delicious, right? It will be. Okay, let's begin. First, I'll dice an onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 2 tomatoes. Then I'll thinly slice the carrot. I'm gonna use 2 potatoes, just gonna peel, cut, and soak them in the water so they won't be oxidized and turned into black color. Now let's do fish. I'll use 2 cream dory fish fillets. I'll just mince, put it in the bowl, and marinate with some salt, turmeric powder, black pepper, some cornstarch, and blend them together nicely. Then let it rest for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we'll fry them now, so preheat the oil first. We'll use the spoon to make them into ball shape. You can also do it with your hand, but using spoon will be less messy. When the oil is hot, just scoop the fish with a spoon and fry until they turn into golden brown color. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just frying with a medium heat. When they're done, just set them aside. In the same pan, I will fry the potatoes, but before you put them in the pan, make sure they're dry. Just pat them with a paper towel to get rid of water, otherwise the oil will splatter. Fry them until they got the nice color and set them aside. Now let's fry our onions, garlic, and tomatoes. When they're soft, add some turmeric powder, chili powder, and stir. Keep frying, keep stirring until they are caramelized. Then add the carrots and deglaze with some white wine. Also add a bit of fish sauce and mix them well. Then add our fried potatoes, bring them together, put some water, add dry oregano leaves. You can use the fresh one if you have them. Mix them again and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the black olives, add some more water, stir, and finally add our fish balls and bring them together. Let them exchange flavors. And I will also add some sweet basil leaves. Just break them and put them in. That's it, done. Mouth-watering fish ball curry that you will definitely love. Try it yourself, guys. Okay, that's it for today. Many thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Take care, guys. Bye.